Hey guys, winning an ink game is less about raw skill and more about strategy, positioning, and adaptability. First of all, know the objective. Some modes focus on territory control, while others are elimination based, so adjust your strategy accordingly. In territory modes, painting the map matters more than chasing kills. Choose the right loadout. If you're new, start with balanced weapons that can both paint and fight. For pros, specialize. Either go full of offense with high damage gear or play support with fast paint weapons. Next, map awareness. Always check the minimap, not just for your enemies, but to see unpainted areas you can claim for points. Learn high ground spots that give you an advantage in gunfights. Stick near at least one teammate to avoid getting picked off alone. Support players should constantly refresh ink trails for mobility. If you're losing ground, switch roles mid-match, e.g. from fighting to inking unclaimed zones. Don't push into enemy spawn recklessly. Instead, hold choke points. Lastly, the last 20 seconds often decide the match. Dump all your special abilities here. Use power rolls to dodge last-minute attacks and secure key zones. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.